Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to do tasty Yippee pasta. Please subscribe to my channel guys. So whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Without any further ado, let's get started. To make this pasta, we need onion, capsicum and pasta sauce. Take a pan and add 1 spoon of butter. Let it heat. Add onion. Fry it until it turns golden brown. Now add capsicum. Fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Then pour required amount of water, say about 1 big glass of water. If required, you can add some more. Once you add water, stir it for 1-2 minutes. Then add pasta sauce powder which comes with the Yippee pasta. Stir it well to avoid any kind of lumps. Once it is mixed, add pasta and cook it for 5 minutes. Voila, your tasty pasta is ready to be served. Thanks for watching my video guys. If you like such more interesting videos in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you.